Robinhood account restricted, what to do. Now, if your Robinhood account has been restricted, first of all, it is important to understand the cause of the restriction, otherwise you will not be able to eliminate it. Here, if I come to the official help section from Robinhood, under the account restrictions page, you can see it says your Robinhood investing account might be restricted for a number of reasons, including company controlled person, bank transfer reversals, incorrect or outdated account information, fraud inquiries, or account levies. So this could be some of the reasons why. And it also says if you have a restriction placed on your Robinhood financial account that prevents you from buying stocks, you will also be prevented from buying cryptocurrencies with your Robinhood crypto account until the restriction is lifted. Now, sometimes the restriction gets lifted automatically because it is just a temporary restriction. Here you can see under how to remove a restriction, it says the steps to remove an account restriction will depend on the specific restriction. Common requirements include covering any negative balances and potentially uploading any requested documentation. So when you face any sort of restriction within your account, you will get a pop-up to basically fill out a certain form as to what you can do to remove that restriction, and once you do that, the restriction will be automatically lifted. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.